Hello everyone, welcome back to my English learning channel. This is a class 15. Today we will practice 100 daily use English sentences. These sentences are a little longer and will help you speak English more confidently. Repeat after me and speak loudly. Let's start. So first sentence is I wake up early every morning to start my day with positive energy. I try to learn some things new every day to improve my knowledge. I always finish my important work before going to bed. I like to read books because they help me learn new ideas. I practice speaking English every day to improve my confidence. I always respect my parents because they support me in everything. I try to stay calm even when the situation become difficult. I believe that hard work is the key to success in life. I always help my friends whenever they need my support. I try to keep my room clean and organized every day. I drink a glass of water after waking up in the morning. I eat healthy food so that I can stay strong and energetic. I go for a short walk in the evening to relax my mind. I listen to music when I want to feel relaxed and happy. I try to avoid wasting time on unless activities. I always think carefully before making an important decision. I try to stay positive even when things do not go as planned. I never give up because success comes with patience and hard work. I always try to complete my work on time without delay. I believe that learning new skills is very important today. I like to talk with people who inspire me to do better in life. I always try to learn from my mistakes and improve myself. I like watching educational videos that help me gain knowledge. I practice speaking English in front of a mirror every day. I try to speak slowly and clearly so others can understand me. I always try to stay focused on my goals and dreams. I believe that confidence is very important for success. I try to motivate myself whenever I feel discouraged. I always try to respect everyone regardless of their background. I try to maintain a positive attitude in every situation. I wake up early so that I can use my time productively. I try to manage my time properly throughout the day. I always try to keep learning something useful. I try to avoid negative people who bring down my motivation. I always try to speak politely with everyone. I feel happy when I achieve my small goals step by step. I try to learn new English word every single day. I practice writing English sentences to improve my grammar. I try to speak English with my friends whenever possible. I always listen carefully when someone is speaking to me. I like to spend some time alone to think about my further plans. I always try to improve my communication skills daily. I believe that practicing can make anyone perfect. I try to stay disciplined in my daily routine. I always try to complete my tasks with full dedication. I never stop learning because knowledge is very powerful. I always try to stay motivated in my learning journey. I believe that education can change a personal life. I try to inspire others by work hard myself. I always try to learn from successful people. I try to stay healthy by eating good food and exercising daily. I always drink enough water to stay fresh and active. I try to sleep early so that I can wake up early. I always try to keep my body and mind healthy. I like doing simple exercise in the morning. I always try to think positively about my futures. I believe that every problem has a solution. I try to come when facing challenges in life. I always try to find opportunities in difficulties. I believe that patience is very important for success. I always try to improve my English speaking skill daily. I like to practice English by watching learning video. I try to repeat sentences loudly to build confidence. I always try to listen to English conversation carefully. I try to use simple sentences while learning English. I always try to learning new vocabulary words every day. I practice speaking English for at least 10 minutes daily. I believe that regular practice will improve my fluency. I try to avoid being afraid of making mistakes. I believe that mistakes help us learn faster. I always try to keep a positive mindset in my life. I believe that success comes to those who work hard. I try to inspire myself by thinking about my goals. I always try to focus on what I can improve. I try to learning something vocabulary every day. I always try to make my parents proud of me. I believe that family support is very important. I try to spend quality time with my family. I always respect my teachers and elders. I try to help people whenever I get that chance. I always try to stay honest and truthful in life. I believe that honesty builds strong relationships. I too try treat others with kindness and respect. I always try to understand other people's feelings. I believe that kindness makes the world better. I always try to stay focused on my work. I try to complete my tasks without unnecessary delay. I believe that discipline leads to success. I try to stay organized in my daily activities. I always try to use my time wisely. I believe that learning English can open my opportunities. I try to improve my communication skills every day. I always try to speak English confidently. I believe that confidence comes with practice. I try to motivate others to learn English. I always remind my life to be strong and positive. I believe that my hard work will bring success one day. I try to stay motivated even during difficult times. I believe that success is a journey, not a destination. I promise myself that I will never stop learning. Practice these sentences every day. Repeat them loudly and clearly. If you practice daily, your English speaking will improve quickly. If you like this class, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next class. Bye bye.